welcome back to another video. This is Craig with Total Tesla. Saturday afternoon. We're going to head to, I'm actually right off of Manchester, and going to head back to Kirkwood. And it's obviously a little turn here. I got to get out of the parking lot, and then we're going to head, I guess, east back on Manchester. So once again, I am in between 12.5.1.3. I'm actually on 12.5.1.1. I had two chances to download the 12.5.1.3, and for some reason my connection wasn't good enough, and it deleted off the app. So I actually called Tesla, and they told me that, yeah, you tried, downloading it twice, and for some reason, yeah, your connection wasn't good. So I just got to wait my turn. So let's hit the stalk and head towards the Kirkwood Park. I'm going to make a right out of here. Ooh. Ooh. It's going to be tight. I made it though. All right. And now we're going to make another right. That's good. If we could back up within the next few updates, that'll be nice. We would have been able to back up and make that turn. But here we go. Now we're going to make a left onto Manchester, head east. And this is one-way traffic. So it's gotta move once it gets into the, actually when we have time. We got a car turning here into the other lane though. All right. It's gonna be tough. A lot of cars on to the right. Just trying to measure the traffic here. If we go, we gotta go. So this Jeep's gonna be turning here. At least we're not sticking out, so that's a good sign. Today is the 1-year anniversary of Stormy too. So I picked up this Model Y Performance on August 17th, so a year from today. All right, we can go now. There's nobody coming. All right, it should have went. Now there's no cars. Let's go. All right, let's go. There we go. And we get in the proper lane. I didn't have anybody honk at me, so that was okay. But Manchester is tough with a lot of traffic. So yeah, on my 1-year birthday of Stormy, I have 9,208 miles currently right now. And this is my second Tesla, so I had a long-range 2018 long-range rear-wheel drive that I stood in line for back in 2016. That was March 31st. And then I bought this one last year. And my original Model 3 is actually still in the family, so I do get to see atmosphere every once in a while. All right. Now we should not have to go through on the highway, so it should get in the left lane here. Hopefully. It's going to need to move over, right? Yeah. There we go. They just added the asphalt here, and the lines are not even designated yet or painted. So it does a really good job, and it's been doing this for a while, but it's great as far as no lines and which lane to keep track of. Now, this is the wrong, now that I say that, there we go. Good job, GPS. But we are in the correct lane now. Sometimes it used to have a problem merging into the left lane, and I would take this route and make a right on Ballas. I'm here by West County Mall, and either way I could have gone home that using that route, but it would always misjudge the actual lane, and it hasn't had any of those hiccups since I've been on 12.5. So I just came from Cars and Coffee this morning. It was a nice turnout. Saw a Cybertruck. So that was pretty cool. Now here we go again. Now we got to, as I said, this is not even the right lane, or it's the right lane, but it was over too far. So it had to recalculate there a little bit. So this is good. Maybe I spoke too soon about driving without any lane markings. No, but it's all right. Everything's good. A little warm outside. Temperatures in the mid 80s. As soon as I get the update for 12.5.1.3, I'll make a separate video and at least show all the features for what's in the summer update that I've been really anxious to get. So we'll look at that, and then we'll do some drives and see if there's any major changes. From what I've read, I've heard some comments that it's maybe a little bit more aggressive, maybe, but I don't think there's anything as far as any major changes or anything that's really noticeable from the current version that I'm on. So I'm more excited about getting all the summer features. So I'm looking forward to at least Amazon Music. I used to have Spotify, moved over to Amazon. They're giving me 5 months free of premium service, so I'm going to use that and see how that works. I enjoy the app, so, but it's going to have a lot of other great features too, including the weather, air quality, which is really nice. So we'll definitely stay tuned for that video. The speed limit is 35. I'm going 31 miles an hour. So I do wish the speed would at least go the speed limit, especially when there's nobody in front of me or around me. This is one section of Ballast that's coming up that drives either at the speed limit or right around the speed limit, but it's never too fast as far as where I'd like it to be. So sometimes if there's a car behind me, I'll have to press on the accelerator or the go pedal. So there's a car behind me. I believe they're not turning. So we'll see. And I've changed, at least I'm in assertive too as well. So there we go. Green light. Speed limit's 30. Right now, after accelerating past the intersection, I'm at 40 miles an hour. So that's fine. I think that's a good speed. But now we're going to start heading back the other way. So it's 37 miles an hour. That's fine. 36. I'm okay with that so far. So this is not bad. This is a good speed. Yeah, this is a great drive. I love this road. It's really nice during the fall when the leaves change, and that'll be coming up here in the next couple months. "35 miles an hour, so that's fine. And a 30, 34. So now we're slowing down just a little bit. I guess we're on a turn. We got a road work sign ahead here. Let's see if there's any road work. One lane road ahead. Okay. Let's see if there's anything here coming up. So I'm now doing 31 miles an hour in a 30. Now, considering that if there is road work ahead, okay, that would be fine. But typically, it's not normally what I've seen when I drive on this road. Now let's see, I don't see any road work. All right, almost to our destination. We got people walking. That's good. So let's park the car here and end the video. We'll park it right now. All right, there we have it. Once again, thanks for watching Total Tesla. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.